Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Asuiken Kingsley. In this video, I'm going to show you how to color correct your video footage, how you can change your video footage to any color that you want. If this is your first time of being to my YouTube channel, you're welcome to my YouTube community, and feel free at any time to drop your comment or to ask any kind of question. Without wasting time, let's jump right in. Color correction in Filmora video editing software is very easy. There are two ways I always do this. First, drag the clip that you want to color correct or change the color to your timeline. Double click on the clip. This is the clip. Once you double click on the clip, this window pops up. Let me go back again. Once I double click on this clip, this window pops up. And once this window comes up, I leave all these things and go to advanced. Once you click on advanced, this window comes up. From this window now, you can choose any of these colors that suits the kind of color you want to apply in your video. There are so many colors in here. You can see these are different color effects. Then apart from using this way, another second way I use in changing the color of my video is by going to effects. Once you get to effects, I go straight to loot. Once I click on loot, these are different kind of colors that you can apply in your video. These are different colors. You can still go to cinematic. These are also different colors. But I always like going to neon. These are new updates in Filmora, this neon. Let me change to this. Let's see how it looks. Let's change to this. Let's go here. I think I prefer this last one. This last one is better. I like this one more than the other ones. So this is how you can color correct or change the color of your video to any color that you want. It's quite very easy in Filmora video editing software. It's not much of a big task. Just import your video. First is either you double click on the video and go to advanced. Once you click on advanced, wait for some seconds, depending on how fast your system is. These are different colors. You can choose your color from here, or you go to effects. Once you get to effects, go to loot and check any of these ones. You can apply any of these effects to your video footage. Meanwhile, once you apply any of these effects on your video, let's drag and apply this one on this video. Once you apply this effect, you can see the video has changed completely. Let's shift it. You can see the default color of this video. Let's bring it back, Ctrl Z. Now you can see the color. Once you check and you feel that the color is too much, you can adjust the color by coming to this effect and double clicking on the effect Now watch this video now. You can now reduce the color correction from here, the temperature of whichever color you insert or you apply in your video. So you can adjust any kind of color effects that you add in your video footage. So this is how you can color correct or change the color of your video footage. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to be seeing this kind of educative video from this channel in the future, please don't forget to hit the subscription button and also the bell button so that you'll be notified once I post a new video tutorial. I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.